Welcome. If you've been searching everywhere for the screen recorder on your Samsung A05 and still can't find it, don't worry, you're not missing anything. And your phone isn't broken. In this video I'll show you exactly why the option isn't there by default, and more importantly, how you can add it yourself so it works almost like on Samsung flagship phones. Many videos online claim that all Samsung phones have a built-in screen recorder. That's simply not true. The Samsung A05 does not include the native screen recorder feature found on Galaxy A5X, A7X, S series, and other higher-end models. If someone shows it on an A05 without explaining how it got there, they're leaving out the most important part. The good news is that you don't need to buy another phone or install anything complicated. There is a simple way to integrate a screen recording feature into your Samsung A05, making it easy to access whenever you need it. Once it's set up, you'll be able to start recording your screen in just a few taps, almost the same way as on Samsung flagship devices. So, if you want to record gameplay, create tutorials, save video calls, capture app demonstrations, or simply record something happening on your screen, stay with me until the end. I'll guide you through every step, and even if you've never changed any settings before, you'll be able to do it without any problems. Before we begin, make sure not to skip any part of the tutorial. One small step is easy to miss, and if you do, the recording feature may not appear where you expect it. I'll also show you the fastest way to access it whenever you need it, so you won't have to search through menus again. Another advantage of this method is that it doesn't require root access or risky modifications. Your phone remains safe, your data stays intact, and if you ever want to remove the feature later, you can do that just as easily. By the end of this video, your Samsung A05 will have a convenient screen recording option that feels much closer to what Samsung offers on its premium Galaxy devices. Let's get started.